Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at the Comfort Inn, Amish country, here in New Holland, Pennsylvania. I'm going to tell you right now that this is not a Lancaster elevator. Before we ride, let's get a view of the steps real quick. There's your stairwell. And now we will ride the elevator. Like I said, this is not a Lancaster elevator. It's got a very interesting bell. This is actually a Kencor Elevator. So let's go down to the lobby. And we'll get a cab here. We're going down. It's kind of a basic modern hotel elevator, nothing really too exciting. It's kind of fast going down. Here at the lobby. And these are your newer GL Check Plus buttons. Kencor Inc. There's your certificate. This elevator was installed in 2012. And there's your floor indicator. And the capacity in this elevator is 2,500 pounds. And here at the lobby. Go up to 2. And we'll listen to the motor. Here we go. Takes forever to level. Man, this thing takes longer to level than it does to travel. Anyways, here we are back on the second floor. There's your steps again. And we'll watch this thing close up. So that was a nice Kencor elevator here at the Comfort Inn, Amish country, New Holland. And I guess that'll be it.